Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2003 Suzuki GSXR600. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2003 Suzuki GSXR600 with 34,762 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with an aftermarket exhaust, an aftermarket chain, frame sliders, bar ends, tank pads, front turn signals, integrated rear turn signals, a rear fender eliminator kit, front brake reservoir cap, and swing arm spools. Powered by a 599cc inline 4-cylinder engine, the GSXR600 puts 104 horsepower and 44 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.5-gallon fuel capacity, the GSXR600 has a 100 to 150-mile range. It has a 32.7-inch seat height and a 412-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this GSXR will need rear turn signals with sufficient visibility, but in New York, this is not an issue. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 15 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the engine case, scratch on the bar end, vinyl peeling on the lower fairing, and bubbles in the logo on the lower fairing. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.